In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a task management system in Notion. Start in Notion on the Getting Started page. This is a good place to begin because it gives you quick access to Notion features and recommended resources. In the left area of the page, find and click Explore. Explore takes you into Notion's template and discovery area where you can quickly build a system without starting from a blank page. Once you are in Explore, click Search. This opens the Marketplace search so you can find a template designed for task tracking. In the search bar, type Task Management. Take a moment to let the results populate so you see all the relevant options. Next, click the option that says All Search Results for Task Management. This expands the list and helps you compare templates more easily, instead of only seeing a small selection. From the results, locate and click Task Management Kanban. A Kanban board is one of the simplest ways to manage tasks because it lets you move work through clear stages. On the template page, click Add to add the template into your own Notion workspace. After you click Add, select the destination location in your workspace, using the on-screen prompt so it saves in the right place. Then click See Template. This opens the full template view so you can start using it right away. Once it loads, click the page title, Task Management Kanban, to make sure you are viewing the main board and not just a preview. Now you will see the core columns that power the workflow. Click To Do to view tasks that are not started yet. Click In Progress to focus on what you are actively working on. Click Done to review completed items, which is helpful for tracking progress over time. Next, explore the views and properties that help you organize tasks. Click Priority to sort or filter tasks by importance. Click Categories to group tasks by type of work like personal, work, or projects. Click Calendar to switch into a time-based view, which is useful when tasks have due dates. Finally, click Status to confirm the workflow stages and keep your board consistent as you move tasks forward. That covers everything you need to know.